Hello world, welcome back to the series of artificial intelligence and robotics using NVIDIA Jetson Nano JetBot module. So we are on lesson number 3, that is the chapter 3, and let me just go through the Word doc manual. So we are in this particular chapter, excuse me, I'm going to show you how to install the SD card formatter. It's very important, guys. So this particular exe file, the software which we are going to install, this is going to help you to take the JetBot image, which I'm going to show you in the future lesson, and convert that into a binary file into your SD card, right? You will be using a SD card which has come along with your JetBot kit, or you might have to buy separately. It's available everywhere. So this particular lesson I'm going to show you step by step how to install the SD card formatter. All right, so let's go through. Open a browser. Before that, if you look at the manual, let's copy this particular URL called sdcard.org downloads formatter slash memory card formatter for Windows. Okay, let me copy this and let's open a browser. I am on a Chrome browser and I'm going to copy this link right here. That's going to take you directly into the site, and here you can see. All right, let's look at what it says. So let's scroll down. If you see at the bottom of this page, you need to accept these terms and conditions, right? Once you accept, click accept. Again, it's going to open another window which you may not see in this video, but somehow I'm not able to capture the screen, but it's almost same like how you did in the previous lesson, the Balena etcher, right? So once you open the window, a separate window to download, you can select desktop or your C drive or your D drive and install this particular software. It's going to take, it's a zip file. It's going to take hardly about 2 to 3 minutes time. Once you install, all you need to do is again extract the zip, and you can run that, double click and run the exe file. It's pretty easy, straightforward, and it's very easy to understand. If you do not understand this, get back to me, message me, email me, you can WhatsApp me. I will help you step by step again. So this is a pretty straightforward chapter. Install this. Once you're ready with this installation of SD card formatter and the previous lesson Balena etcher, you got to be ready with the next chapter, that is the Jetpack. I'm going to come back to you and show you how to do that. All right guys, see you until then. Bye bye.